What an amazing trip Addison and I have had going to Cleveland, Ohio. We've tried to hit as many things as we can, some a little bit quirky, some a little bit historic, and even a leg lamp. As we wrap up our Cleveland road trip, we want to show you a room tour of the Renaissance Hotel. Addison started playing basketball a couple of years ago, and so she was really excited to see her first NBA game. Come join us to explore more of Cleveland. Let's go! Welcome back, Chronicles crew. Yeah, I'm Carl here. If you're not familiar with our channel, we're a family travel vlog. We love to go to local spots, tourist attractions, and weird and wacky places. While in Cleveland, we stayed at the Renaissance Hotel right in the downtown area.
Okay, so this is our room. To your left, you have a wonderful mirror, and it opens up to a closet. It's a pretty big
Nice
closet.
safe there too?
Yeah, it's a safe. You got hangers. You have your like coffee station. And you have a microwave and a fridge, which is pretty nice. And then you have this like lounge chair. Here's like a nice table with like water glasses and your ice, and then a TV and.
Oh, the one thing about the TV I want to show you is if you turn it on, something new I've noticed in a lot of hotels is if you're those that does have a streaming service, you can connect your streaming service to, we'll say, Hulu, Netflix, HBO Go, YouTube.
And over here you have a nice desk, which is actually pretty big.
Show the viewers the view.
Really
the view of the wall, and then the room,
it's really
and post off.
It's really,
That's almost the point.
it's really beautiful. And then you have your two beds. You have the bathroom. Pretty, I like the granite, it's really nice. They gave you some like alcohol wipes so you can wipe down stuff and stay clean. Nice big mirror and a tiny toilet. I'm gonna call it Tiny Tim.
Tiny Tim? I think that's the first room tour where somebody names the toilet.
Yeah, so the hotel by itself is really big and really nice. Like, it's super, super nice. The normal rate for the room is $724, which is crazy, and that explains why it's so nice.
To the hotel we actually got for $85. Oh, the one thing though is if you're parking, just know that it is $35 a night, which will be built into your room. So even though it's cheap, just make sure you factor in the parking. It was nice to spend time with Addison since she has spring break. I know Melissa and Rosa was not able to join us because I joined them with the spring break last week. So it's been 2 weeks of me off just going on these road trips. So what are my impressions of Cleveland? Cleveland's a very clean town. Everybody's really nice. We came here during the week, so it was not busy at all. If you do come here, I do recommend getting a hotel right in the downtown area, because if you're there, everything is walkable. You can leave your car in the parking lot. All right, here is First Energy Stadium. So this is where the Cleveland Browns play. So this, I did not know that the Great Lakes Science Center was here. There's even a little NASA emblem. This looks like the NASA Glenn Visitor Center also. The architecture here is really amazing because if you look at here, all the different buildings are shaped differently. So right now we're in Little Italy here in Cleveland, Ohio. Never been here. It's a really nice little area. Kind of reminds me of some parts of areas within Chicago. So one of my favorite being a content creator on YouTube is the community. So today we're gonna meet with Brad and Amy, and we've been friends with them since we had like 30 subscribers. So it's really neat to go to different places, whether it's states or now even countries, and we can say hi to some of our friends. Okay, we got Brad and Amy today.
Hello.
Hey!
We first met this amazing couple at the Iceman Comet to support our friend Chris Van Eerden. What's your channel about, or what do you guys like to do?
Just about everything. I mean, mostly stuff about us at home, family. We do some travel. I'll even throw in like cooking or cleaning videos sometimes, but it's just a little bit of everything.
Trattoria on the Hill. Little Italy, Cleveland.
After it snowed, we are so glad there's indoor walkway from a hotel. So we're at Renaissance, so we can go inside all the way to Rocket Mortgage Arena. Addison's following the directions. It's like a maze over here. We're not riding that escalator. They're fixing it. I'm tired, Addison. I usually catch an NBA game with my friend Jason K out once a year, but I missed last year due to the pandemic. It feels so good to be back to watch an NBA game. And this is Addison's first NBA game ever.
So with COVID, they have to have buckles on all the seats so they're all spread out.
So it was nuts that no one could sit in front of us, to the left of us, or even to the right of us. The stadium is only 30% capacity, but you can totally tell that everybody was just happy that things are starting to get back to normal. Addison and I had fun as we cheered on the folks as they made some shots. And one of my favorite things to do is photobomb during the Jumbotron. So much better getting back indoors. What do you think of your first game?
It was fun.
To be honest with you, it feels like yesterday that Addison was just Rosalie's age. As a dad, it feels like time is just flying by, so I'm just trying to treasure every moment I can as I get to spend time with Addison. One thing for sure, this Cleveland road trip is something that I'll never forget.
Well, make sure to like and subscribe to the video down below. And hit that notification bell while you're at it so you don't miss the video comes out. See you on our next journey. Bye!
Have you ever heard the most annoying sound?
No, I haven't.